So this is the USDJPY analysis. What is that? Just bear with me a second here. So on this monthly time frame, just gonna grab the pen. We found some support there. We've had a pullback. On this candle here, we had a very strong close, and again, the candle which the very next candle after it was another strong bullish candle closing near the highs, which would have been last month in the month of October. Now, on the monthly time frame, we do look bullish. I'm just going to go down to the weekly and so on. So again, on this weekly time frame, we can see pretty much a bull flag continuation pattern. So we've had a move up, had a bit of a pullback, and we've seen buy momentum re-enter the market. We do look poised to break 1430, but I'll have a better look at that on the execution time frame. So just bear with me a second here. So if we go to the daily chart, let's get it on here correct. So on this daily chart, you can see here we've had a pretty much a treble top on prices. We had a pretty much treble top in prices around that 1430 level. We did mention on Friday that we did expect a breakout on Friday on the fundamental news catalyst. We'll see how that went. Currently we are trading around 1463, so we've had a breakout. I'm gonna have to go check to see if it was a gap up in the prices or whether it's a case of the US dollar catching a bid early Sunday, come Monday morning. So again, we did see a bit of a triple top, and I did mention that if a level is tested multiple times, if it's from underneath in a bullish sense or from above in a bearish sense, the more often it's tested, the more likely it is to be broken. So here on this weekly chart, we can see we've put in our lows down here. The most recent low has been a very low swing low in around, I think it's 107.32. So I had to move up, pull back, continuation, pull back, and we've just seemed to have had a pullback in continuation pattern. Now let's just have a look at the execution time frame. So on this execution time frame, we can see our prices have consolidated beneath this 114.30 level for quite some time. So as we are consolidating to the 14.30 level, I was expecting a breakout at some point. So what did we see? Let's clean this chart up a little bit. We've seen a strong move off the news all the way up into that 14.30 level, and we've seen a bit of a sell-off to the close. Now, again, a bit of a sell-off into the close. Just bear with me a second here. I'm just going to see something. 23rd. Yep. So we did see a bit of a sell-off into close off that 14.30 level. So we didn't get the breakout I anticipated, but over the weekend we didn't get the continuation I was expecting. So on our open this week, we've seen some strong bullish buying momentum coming to the market. We have broken. So for example, on the 5th. So markets opened on the 5th, Sunday the 5th at 10. And since then, we've seen some strong buying momentum going to market. We've in fact broken above this 14.30 level, very strong momentum candle, and we've run up to that to the level of 14.74, the level I've identified for a couple of weeks now. We do see a bit of selling momentum come off it, but we do see some strong selling momentum. We were looking to trade prices all the way back down to this 14.30 level. Now, just bear with me a second here. So Let's just see. So if we can't hold our current position and we do stay above 1430, I'll be looking for further upside momentum. If we can maintain 1430 as support, we're looking for further upside momentum all the way back up to this 1474 where we are. If we do see a breakdown in prices, beyond which we're looking at 1537 for another level where we might see a bearish bounce or some profit taking. So we're just going to, yep, that should wrap up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. Overall, we are bullish. The overall trend on multiple time frames is bullish. It's supportive of a bullish move. And we've had a breakout 1430. We've targeted 1474. We've seen a bit of a reaction around 1474. So we have to see how that develops. Around 1474. Let's see how that develops. Whether we do hold the level and we continue towards S 1537. Again, if we're not able to hold the level, we'll be looking to see how prices react in around 114.30. Below which we'll be looking at the 200 period average and 113.56, which is just over 100 points away at present. Below which we've got obviously 113, so 113, 113.56. We'll see how prices react in and around those downside targets. So that should wrap up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. So before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.